I'm back taking some more video here. This is Gooseberry Falls, and it looks like it's a picnic area. So, but it's pretty nice. I'm taking this in, I believe 5K, so it's interesting to see how this turns out. These are some heavy-duty chains here. Oh yeah, those aren't, those are pretty strong. It's a very windy day, and the Gooseberry River must come into the lake right over there, I would say. There's some kind of park building up there, so I imagine that's the entrance. But we can go down here and take a look at these breaking waves. I'm not sure what kind of audio I'm going to be getting. I got a muff on, and then I got the mic over this underneath this jacket that I'm wearing, which is pretty good. It actually works pretty good as a muff. This jacket does. This is probably a nice day on the ocean, but on Lake Superior it's pretty big waves. Oh, there's a ship coming up the lake. Huh. I wonder how long it will take for him to get here. But I'll cut, and maybe I'm going to go up and get some shelter, warm up, and then maybe I'll see what kind of progress that ship's making. That'd be kind of neat to see. So, talk to you later. Bye.